And now we're heading over to St. Louis, where co-founder Brian Reeves is in the middle of an installation.
This is our first install in St. Louis. We have a vacant lot. We're gonna place some bees, put some signage up. We have staff, actually my sister, she lives in the area, and my nephew, I got them to beekeep when I got into it. So this gives them an opportunity right here in St. Louis to get more experience. We brought some of our Nature Action crew members with us too as well. These are interns from the summer, college students, so they'll help with the installation.
Really, the bees do all the work. You're just in there making sure that the inside looks good and that they're laying eggs and, you know, growing. So this is my son Jordan here with me today. He goes out there and he pulls the frames up with me and checks them out. It's just being part of, you know, making sure that these bees are pollinating our communities.
A lot of people say, how can I help the bees? I don't want to be a beekeeper, how can I help? One thing that you can do is plant pollinator-friendly plants in your yard. Make sure you don't spray. Just have the conversation with your neighbors. 3 out of 5 things that we eat are because of a bee, and if the bees are gone 5 years, we're gone too as well.